give a big hand to Roy and Ron's birthday celebration. I know that you are ready to party and sing because we're celebrating the 6th decade of greatness and 29 years of blessing. Last chance. Yes, it's my last chance for going tonight. Beside me to guide me, to hold me and slow me, 'cause when I'm there, I'm so there. For double the celebration, double the fan of Ramon and Roy's birthday party. I know that you guys are excited for what they have prepared. Elizabeth, Rose Elaine, and Rose Eleanor. And of course, ang kaisa-isang bulaklak sa puso ng ating Sir Ramon, the very beautiful and gracious Mrs. Elisa Marquez. And give a big hand to Mrs. Elisa Marquez. Mr. Roy Marquez. Malakpak kayo, mahahawaan kayo ng biyaya because we are now going to witness the man of the hour, 6th decade of greatness, blessings, and celebration. Cheers for 60 years. Let's welcome Mr. Ramon Marquez. So we will be having the birthday symbols, syempre, the set of flowers, treasures, candles, and of course, the shots. And apart from that, napakaswerte ng lahat ng pumunta sa celebration na to. Dahil aside sa tayo ay mabubusog, sasaya at liligaya, may inihandang maraming papremyo ang pamilya ng ating celebrant para sa atin.
Let's give a big hand to Miss Rose Elaine Marquez, Eleanor Marquez, and last but definitely not the least, ang forever the Sir Ramon, Mrs. Elisa Marquez. The pinaka-importanting bulaklak sa buhay ng ating Sir Ramon. As they say, it's always and forever. Pictures and videos makes memory perfect and clear. So, parang gusto kong tanongin si Sir Ramon, how does it feel na makatanggap ng bulaklak at may Sir? Parang nagdibo ang ating Sir Ramon. Well, anyway, Sir Ramon, that's just the first and the beginning part. Later on, madami pa. Pero syempre, just like what we have mentioned, bibigyan namin kayo ng papremyo mula sa ating celebrant. So, meron pong inihanda na 5. Pero madami to, guys, ha? Kaya please, join our games and trivia questions kasi talagang napaka-espesyal ng mapapanalunan once you got it correctly or kung nakasagot kayo ng maayos. Q&A 101. Iikot ang ating mga coordinators kung sino ang unang makita namin tumaas ang kamay or kung talagang kayo ay game na game sa trivia Q&A at alam na alam nyo ang sagot, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa unahan at sagutin ang aming katanungan. Again, 5 lang po ang pwedeng manalo kung gaano nyo kakilala ang ating man of the hour na si Sir Ramon. Ano ang paboritong pagkain ni Sir Ramon? Yes! Correct! Congratulations! mula sa Marquez family and kay Sir Ramon and Sir Roy. Sir Louie, kung ikaw personal, ano yung paborito mong alak na inumin?
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker, ay, social ka din ha. Ayan. Ako kasi parang emperador lang, okay na. Ayan, Sir Louie, how about Sir Ramon? Ano ang paboritong liquor ni Sir Ramon?
Johnny Walker Gold Label.
Ay! Ang galing! Johnny Walker Gold Label is correct! Ayan! Kainumin katanungan kung gusto mo ng Jollibee. Ano ang paboritong kanta ni Sir Ramon? Ay, and later on, we will be having lots of prizes, but we are going to continue sa ating next set of birthday symbol, which is the 6 treasures and gifts. We will be calling your name. Join our celebrant here in front for the group picture taking or photo opportunity. Siyempre, dala niyo po dapat yung inyong regalo para kay Sir Ramon. And after the photo opportunity, one by one, you will be giving your message kung ano at bakit yun ang regalo nyo kay Sir Ramon. Mel Asilo, Mr. Johnny Sadsad, Miss Princess Nicole Ong, Miss Donna Malaluan, Attorney Noel Malaluan, and Mr. Henry Lico. Once again, sinabi ni Sir Henry, gusto lang niya, happy-happy tayo. Later on, may sayawan, may kantahan. Kasi yun ang gusto ni Sir Ramon, Sir Roy, at Marquez family. Masaya dapat ang ating selebrasyon ngayong araw. At mas papasayahin pa natin dahil at this part, bubunot na kami ng dalawa sa ating electronic raffle. Dalawang bisita ang mananalo ngayon sa ating electronic raffle. At ating first winner ay si, roll mo na yan, Patricia Manalo, Pierre Ong, congratulations! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome and give a big hand to give his special speech and greetings to Sir Ramon, the Honorable Vice Mayor Maki Buonggaling. Kapakan natin, the Honorable Vice Mayor Maki Buonggaling. Ayan, sir, tabihan mo ang iyong kumpare for a picture taking. You will be having your group photo op na may ilaw ang kandila. And after the photo opportunity, one by one, magbibigay kayo ng simple message para sa ating birthday celebrant. So please join us here. 6 candle wishes. Eloy Aguila, Polly Caponpon, Lenny Fernandez, Romulo Marquez, May Kilby San Jose, and Mr. Renato Marquez. Natin ang ating 6 candle participants. Maraming salamat po, ma'am and sir. Ayan, thank you very much. You can now take your seat. Lend your eyes and ears here sa ating LED wall together with Sir Ramon because we will be showing you the birthday pictures and video presentation of this celebration. Ang magigiting na celebrant ay ang kandila sa kanilang napakagandang birthday cake. But syempre, para ang lahat ay maging maganda, masaya, maligaya at punong-puno ng biyaya, dapat po tayong lahat ay tatayo at sabay-sabay na aawit ng pambansang awit tuwing may kaarawan. Folks, please join us! Tayo po tayo, minsan lang to para kay Sir Ramon at Sir Roy. Lighting the candle, I think DJ is very much ready. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Happy birthday to you! Go!
Happy birthday to you.
Sir Ramon, Sir Roy, wishing you all the best in life. At this time, importante na humiling kayo ng kahilingan para sa inyong sarili. Close your eyes and if you're ready, just blow the candle on your birthday cake. Pakpakan muli natin ang Sir Ramon and Sir Attorney Roy. Thank you for singing with us. Talaga namang napakasaya ng happy birthday na ito. Jane, right after all ay yapan at done at this part, our Janet Jane duo performance of the night, as well as all ay yapan at band. Ayan. Sorry to spoil the dance floor. Talaga namang napakasaya ng mga nagsasayaw dito sa unahan. But syempre, napakalaki pa at napakadami pa ng pagsasamahan natin ngayong gabi. Kaya gusto ni Don Ramon, ni Sir Ramon, huwag kayong masyadong pagpawisan. Dapat siya muna ang unang papawisan later on. Una natin, negosyong kailangan yung hulaan si Sir Ramon ay 60 years old na. Matigas, matatag at matibay pa rin ang kanyang katawan, pero tayong lahat kinakailangan ng maintenance. At dito, pumupunta siya kasama ang kanyang may bahay dahil nakasisiguro silang gamot ay laging bago. Yang magpahinga. Itong lugar na to ang pinaka-paborito niya dahil para sa kanya, this is so clean, so good. Ay, so clean pala ako. Ay, papuntahan nga sa intermission number para sa 60 years ni Sir Ramon at 29 years ni Attorney Roy. Wow, thank you very much sa empleyado ng Marquez family. And at this part of the program, bago magpasiklab sa dance floor, ang ating birthday celebrant kasama ang kanyang batchmate, we need to hear some message of appreciation and thanks, syempre, sa mga celebrants natin for tonight. Roy Edward Marquez to give a message and speech for our today's event. Salamat sa inyo. And, ayan, ang pinakahuling salita na ating makikinig. Ramon Marquez! Join me here, Sir Ramon. Sa inyong lahat. Sir Ramon, maraming salamat, especially kay Ma'am Elaine for trusting me to host this double celebration. Sir Roy, Attorney Roy, God bless and more power to you. But for you, Sir Ramon, I just wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and life contentment. So alam ko meron ka pang paghahandaan, pwede ka nang maghanda para sa inyong dance number. So folks, huwag po kayong uuwi kahit tapusin ko po ang formal na programa ng selebrasyon ng birthday party ni Attorney Roy at ni Sir Ramon. Because right after I end this program, formally, the Batch 81 boys will be performing their unkabogable dance number. At yun po magiging hudyat para tayong lahat ay magsaya. Ngayong gabi, palakpakan kung may energy pa at gusto ng maraming biyaya mula kay Sir Ramon. Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Marquez Russell Hernandez Ramirez, and this has been